TPU Printing Guide for the A2L. Using an AMSHT, insert a small length of PTFE tube through the dedicated TPU outlet. The same can be done for the outlet of a filament dry box. Load your TPU and feed the filament through the PTFE tube. Use something like the dedicated spool stand shown here to elevate the TPU above the tool head filament inlet. This reduces feeding resistance as much as possible. On the printer's screen, go to Control, Nozzle, and set the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. Once the nozzle reaches temperature, feed the TPU filament into the filament inlet. Back on the printer's screen, tap the downward extrude button a few times. And make sure the filament is being pulled by the extruder and eventually extrudes out of the nozzle. On the printer's screen, go to Control, Nozzle, and set the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. Once the nozzle reaches temperature, tap the upward extrude button a few times. Gently pull the filament out of the filament inlet until it releases from the extruder gears. Feed the filament back through your AMSHT or dry box opening for proper storage. Cut off the deformed tip of the filament to make loading more reliable next time. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.